The first test is the two-dimensional measuring instrument, which is used to measure the dimensional accuracy of the product. Test is the salt spray test and constant temperature and humidity test chamber. Salt spray test is mainly to test the corrosion, resistance, and reliability of the product. Constant temperature and humidity test is to test the performance of the product in extreme weather. The final test is the distribution photometer test, which is used to test data such as the angle and light transmission of the lens.